Hey everybody, we got Rick Bodey here, brought to you by Easy Digital Marketing. Today, what I'm going to do is walk you through the Google verification process. We're going to talk a little bit about, my experience, what I've seen with Google when it comes to establishing your business online. We're going to look at how you get started, right? How you can get your foot in the door, get going on Google if you haven't already in your Google business profile, and kind of walk you through some of the pieces that you're going to need to get verified by Google. And then we're also going to talk about how that looks once you're in the door and you're verified and you get that blue check mark. Then we're going to go over, what it takes from there. How do we get fully verified on all 5 points, not just one or two? And then how do we optimize, right? What all goes into the optimization process, and how can Easy help you, if you don't feel comfortable and confident that you can do all this as a business owner yourself. As I know, as a business owner myself, everybody's super busy. They want it fast, they want it done right. And obviously, some of you are very, very capable of achieving these outcomes. But if you need support, we're here to help. So, what I'd like to do first is talk about me. My name is Rick Bodey. I've been in digital marketing the past 15 years, along with my business partners. We have been through all different scenarios, helping over 280 small to mid to large sized corporations get established on Google. And we're especially excited to focus on, how we get people started. How do we get local businesses going? How do we get them verified? How do we play by the Google rules? So really excited. Like I said, Rick Bodey, done this for 15 years, helped a ton of people get success. One particular story is a local business, medical, that, they were struggling, they were looking to grow, they were ready, but they had a lot of things go wrong, right? In the previous agencies. And so what we are there to do, and what we do time and time again, is support and grow those companies. And it's not unique, right? We had a company in Silicon Valley that was established later on after our help as the fastest growing unicorn company. That means $1 billion company valuation at the fastest timeline ever, after Uber at that time, all being able to be compliant with Google, getting them verified, going through the appeal process, going through the verification, going through the double check, the manual audit, all the different things that Google sets up policies and procedures to create trust and verification that you are who you say you are. So enough about me. Let's get into your business. Let's make you a rock star. Let's help you get going. And so I'm going to walk you through this. It seems simple, but there are all kinds of different deviations, and we're going to do our best to support you on this video so you can get started and we can get optimizing, getting you found. So first step out of all this is go to business.google.com, right? And when you go there, you're going to see two possible options. One, there's going to be a sign-in page. If you're not signed in, sign in to your business account, wherever you think you want to store where your business is. And we assume you already have a business email. That would be good. If you don't, go to GoDaddy, get a domain, get an email. Awesome. So then once you have an email, you're logged in, right, to business.google.com. You'll see two things. You'll either see an add my business, or you'll see a blue check mark or no blue check mark on your business name. Okay. So by being able to do that, you're going to be in two different scenarios: a startup or a growth company. That's how we look at it: build, grow, scale. We're building your business, we're growing your business, we're scaling it to the next level. So you're at business.google.com. Okay. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to walk through this wizard, and I can't do it in real time with you unless you work with us one on one or through our support system, because Google changes all the time, right? This is a snapshot. We want to help a lot of people. So follow the wizard. And what you have to know is that Google is very particular, right? People have been gaming the Google system since white text on a website, right? Keyword stuffing and all these different little tricks and hacks. And